Morning light spilled through my curtains, wrapping the tan leather headboard in gold. Everything looked peaceful, perfect, like love should. Then, a single buzz. My phone lit up. "Baby, call me when she leaves for work." My smile froze. My heart tripped. For a second, I laughed. A nervous, tiny laugh, because surely it couldn't mean that. But the air changed. The warmth died. And inside that bright room, something in me quietly cracked. I sat back against the leather headboard, phone glowing like fire in my hand. Message after message, each one worse than the last. Plumber. That's what he called her. But who saves a plumber with hearts and misuse? His voice notes, his laughter, her replies, every word sliced through me. They say 3 out of 4 affairs begin on a phone. I believed that statistic now, because I was living it. He slept beside me, peaceful, smiling, dreaming, while my soul shattered in silence. That night, his phone rang again. He grabbed it, too fast. The door slammed. Lock clicked. Water ran. I followed, bare feet, cold marble, heart pounding. And then I heard it, the whisper. "I'll see you tomorrow. She won't suspect anything." My knees almost gave in. I pressed my palm against the wall just to stand. Her voice, so young, so alive. And in that moment I realized this wasn't about beauty or age. It was about choice. His. That was my first finding. Betrayal isn't born from lack. It's born from greed. 2 weeks later, he smiled, kissed my forehead, said, "Traveling for work." My mouth smiled back, but my heart whispered, "Liar." When his tail lights vanished into the rain, I followed. Taxi driver silent, wipers beating like my pulse. Raindrops turned the city into mirrors of regret. He stopped at Hillcrest Suites. Glowing sign, gold letters, cheap lies. Then she appeared, heels clicking, perfume trailing. They hugged. They disappeared. I felt nothing. No tears, no shaking. Only a quiet strength whispering, "Now you know. Now you act." Room 14, second floor. The corridor smelled of new leather and betrayal. I could hear my own heartbeat counting down. 1, 2, 3. Turned the key. Door flew open. Light burst across their faces. They froze, half naked, half truth. He stammered, "It's not what you think." I laughed, short, sharp, hollow. "Not what I think. You're in bed with another woman." I raised my phone. Click, recording every second. That flash, that single flash, was the thunder of truth. His family saw it that night. His mother cried. His father cursed. And I walked away, bare feet on marble, heart finally steady. Dawn returned, the world clean again. I stood on my terrace, same cream robe, same woman, different soul. The leather headboard behind me caught the sunrise instead of tears. My children's laughter floated through the rooms that once echoed pain. I no longer checked phones. I no longer chased answers, because the truth had already set me free. My findings? Betrayal doesn't destroy you. It introduces you to your strength. My learnings? Peace is louder than revenge. Healing is the quietest victory of all. So I filed for divorce, and I found myself. Sometimes, the greatest love story is the one you write after goodbye.